How to make a potion of strength in Minecraft. So first you will need 3 bits of water bottles, 1 blaze powder, 1 nether wart, a glowstone dust, a redstone dust, and of course your brewing stand. So first just place your brewing stand on the ground, open it up, place your 3 water bottles there. Now get your blaze powder and put it here on the side. Now get your nether wart and place it here on the top. So just simply wait for the process or the brewing to complete. Once that's done, your water bottles will become awkward potions. So what you can do is either add your redstone dust first and wait for it to finish brewing. But before that, you just simply need to get some blaze powder first again, then place it here on the top, then wait for it to finish. So once that's done, your potion of strength is now complete, and now you could either add some redstone or glowstone dust. So if I put some redstone dust right here, just wait for it to finish. As you can see right now, I have a potion of strength, which gives me 3 minutes of its effect. I just simply wait for this to finish. So once it's done, it will give you 8 minutes of effect when you use potion of strength. But if you add some glowstone dust, we just wait for it. If you add some glowstone dust, this potion of strength will become the potion of strength 2, which is basically much more stronger since it has a higher tier. And that's how I basically make a potion of strength in Minecraft.